Welcome to the TripNavigo channel. Today we're taking you to Bari, the capital of Apulia, located on the turquoise Adriatic Sea. This is a city full of contrasts. The medieval alleys of Bari Vecchia, filled with the aroma of fresh pasta, intertwine with modern boulevards and elegant boutiques. Stay with us until the end to discover the most interesting places to see in Bari. And if you're looking for more inspiration from Italy, Poland, and all across Europe, subscribe to TripNavigo. Corso Cavour is one of Bari's main arteries and also one of the city's most elegant streets. It connects the seafront with the modern center and leads to the famous Petruzzelli Theatre, a gem of operatic architecture in southern Italy. As you stroll along Corso Cavour, you'll pass stylish tenement houses, trendy boutiques, cafes, and shops with local products. It's the perfect place for a relaxing walk, some shopping, or an Italian coffee under the palm trees. Il Fortino di Sant'Antonio is a small yet exceptionally picturesque fortress located right on the Adriatic shore, on the edge of Bari's old town, Bari Vecchia. Built in the Middle Ages, it was part of the fortifications that once protected the city from the sea. The port of Bari is the beating heart of the city and one of the key transport hubs of southern Italy. Since antiquity, it has played a strategic role in trade and maritime activity. Today, it connects Bari with destinations such as Greece, Albania, and Croatia. Ferries depart daily, and cruise ships from around the world dock here. At the port, you'll find colorful fishing boats, modern terminals, and breathtaking views of the sea. Palazzo Mincuzzi is a true architectural gem in the heart of Bari, located on one of the main shopping streets, Via Sperano. Built at the beginning of the 20th century, it enchants with its elegant Art Nouveau facade and neo-Baroque elements. Once a luxury department store owned by the Mincuzzi family, it still catches the eye of passers-by with its majestic appearance. Bari Vecchia, the old town, is the true soul of the city, a maze of narrow, winding streets where history is alive at every turn. Here, you'll see women making fresh orecchiette pasta right outside their homes. Bari Vecchia is home to the city's most important landmarks, such as the Basilica of Saint Nicholas, the Cathedral of Saint Sabinus, and the Norman Swabian Castle. The view over the port of Bari is one of those unforgettable sights. From here, you can enjoy a panorama of the calm Adriatic. Waters, colorful fishing boats, modern ferry terminals, and majestic passenger ships. Bari Cathedral, or Cattedrale di San Sabino, is an impressive Romanesque church located in the heart of Bari Vecchia. Built between the 12th and 13th centuries on the ruins of an earlier Byzantine basilica, it features a stark white facade and a powerful bell tower that captivate with their simplicity and elegance. Inside the cathedral, you'll find beautiful mosaics, medieval crypts, and the relics of Saint Sabinus, the church's patron. Beneath the floor, remnants of ancient Roman and early Christian structures are visible. It's a place filled with spiritual atmosphere and historical depth. Is Bari worth a visit? Absolutely. It's a blend of history, local culture, and Mediterranean charm that creates a truly unique vibe. The narrow streets of the old town, women making pasta by hand, the sense of Apulian cuisine, the sea, beaches, and southern warmth, all of this makes Bari delightfully authentic. Here you'll find both Romanesque churches and historical landmarks, as well as modern galleries, shops, and lively piazzas. It's also a great base for exploring Apulia. From Bari, it's easy to reach Alberobello, Polignano a Mare, or Matera. If you're looking for a place where Italian tradition meets seaside ease, Bari won't disappoint. Subscribe to TripNavigo and explore not only Bari, but other extraordinary places in Poland and across Europe. Visit tripnavigo.pl, where travel inspiration and special offers await you.